Here are the top 5 things to know before you go to Amazon Accelerate 2024. Number 1. Download the conference app on your smartphone or tablet and sign in one of 3 ways. You can use the reference number on your confirmation email as your password. Once you've signed in, your email and password will be your key to the platform. Or you can click on the magic link. Enter your email address you used to register, go to your email inbox, click on the link, and you're in. Or, if you registered for Accelerate using Login with Amazon, you can simply select that again. This is a streamlined login that uses your Amazon credentials for a hassle-free entry. Now, don't forget to set up your profile. Once signed in, you will be prompted to upload your picture, update your contact info, and adjust your settings, and enable push notifications so you're always in the know. Number 2. Access to all session information and conference happenings are at your fingertips. Just navigate to Agenda to review sessions and build your daily schedule in advance. Seating for Amazon Accelerate sessions is first come, first served. Adding a session to your agenda doesn't guarantee a seat. To make the most of your time, we encourage you to add alternate sessions to your agenda in case seating is full. The mobile app will also allow you to review speaker profiles, explore Partner Connect booths, and navigate the conference with maps. Quick tip: look out for QR codes around the conference and use the in-app QR code scanner. If you are not able to book a Seller Cafe appointment in advance, we are also offering 20-minute walk-up appointments with a virtual subject matter expert. These appointments are based upon availability and may involve a wait time in the Seller Cafe lounge. For more information or to sign up for a virtual appointment, please visit Seller Cafe when you arrive at the conference. Number 3. When you first arrive at the Seattle Convention Center Summit Building, stop by Badge Pickup on the first level. This is where you will check in, pick up your badge, and be on your way. Remember to bring your government-issued photo ID for badge pickup and to have the badge with you at all times. Your badge is your ticket to all Amazon Accelerate events, including your boarding pass for the shuttle bus that gets you to and from the block party. And that's a bus you don't want to miss. Number 4. Check out the Accelerate Pavilion located on the lower level. Here, you'll find a central meetup spot for selling partners, speakers, Amazonians, and Partner Connect partners. It's the perfect place to make meaningful connections, hear inspirational seller stories, and learn about the latest tools and products to accelerate your success. Partner Connect will be in the Accelerate Pavilion again. This is where you'll be able to connect directly with over 50 third-party service providers and Amazon selling programs. Explore the agenda on your mobile app to learn more about the Community Connections Hub, Solutions Spotlight Stage, Community Stage, Selling Partner Presentations, and the Product Launch Zone. Check them all out. Number 5. Be sure to follow us on social media and use the conference marketing guide and toolkit to help spread the word about Amazon Accelerate. Snap, tag, and post. We want to hear from you. For more detailed information about the conference, including packing recommendations, health and safety details, housing support, and so much more, download the mobile app or go to AmazonAccelerate.com to review the complete Know Before You Go guide. We look forward to seeing you in Seattle.